Okay, we are now on to the half break section for the Revenge of the Shim Sham. This is a fun little combination. It's similar but yet very different from the original half break section, and it's a lot of fun to do. You are going to start with a shuffle heel on the right foot. Okay, so it's going to be 1. Then you're going to do a scuff, heel. Then you do your spring, step, shuffle, ball change. Spring, step, shuffle, ball change. Spring, step, shuffle, ball change. You are going to finish it with a step, scuff, heel, step. And you're going to do that whole thing 2 times in a row. So let's walk through it kind of slow. You have 5, 6, 7, shuffle, heel, scuff, heel, spring, step, shuffle, ball change, spring, step, shuffle, ball change, step, scuff, heel, step, shuffle, heel, scuff, heel, spring, step, shuffle, ball change, spring, step, shuffle, ball change, step, scuff, heel, step. Let's do that again. 5, 6, 7, shuffle, heel, scuff, heel, spring, step, shuffle, ball change, spring, step, shuffle, ball change, step, scuff, heel, step, shuffle, heel, scuff, heel, spring, step, shuffle, ball change, spring, step, shuffle, ball change, step, scuff, heel, step. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, take a second and breathe. We'll walk through it one more time. It's a little tricky. You're so used to starting your half break section with that spring step, and now to have it sort of thrown in the middle. But I tell you, it's a really nice combination. I really like it. It sometimes will show up in my choreography, so be prepared. Make sure you learn it. All right, starting with that right foot again. You have 5, 6, 7, shuffle, heel, scuff, heel, spring, step, shuffle, ball change, spring, step, shuffle, ball change, step, scuff, heel, step, shuffle, heel, scuff, heel, spring, step, shuffle, ball change, spring, step, shuffle, ball change, step, scuff, heel, step. Five, 6, 7, shuffle, heel, scuff, heel, spring, step, shuffle, ball change, spring, step, shuffle, ball change, step, scuff, heel, step, shuffle, heel, scuff, heel, spring, step, shuffle, ball change, spring, step, shuffle, ball change, step, scuff, heel, step.